Hello everyone, myself Tarun. I'm studying in Lovely Professional University. Today I'm going to explain case study on urban companies. So what are urban companies? Urban companies is an Indian based online marketplace that connect the users and service providers with the local services and their professions. This is a platform that offers a wide range of services like including home cleaning, beauty parlors, and repairing of repair shops and wellness and many more. So urban companies have a strategy for a seamless service including user friendly technology platform and user friendly environment. So our project is based on urban companies. So urban companies has various entities. So first of all, what are entities in ER model? Entities in a general sense is refer to objects or concepts or like concept or elements with distinct attributes which have distinct attributes. So in urban companies we have first entity is a customer. And customer have different attributes. So what are attributes? Attributes are properties or characteristics that describes entities in a database. Attributes are used to define the properties of entities in a structure format. So here customer have attribute uh, here customer have attribute date of birth of customer, customer ID, customer name, customer email ID of a customer, and phone number of customer, address of a customer. So these are the attributes of a customer entity. So these are the attributes of customer entity. Here date of birth is our derived attributes. From date of birth we can find the age of a customer, and here address is a multi-valued attribute. Multi-value attribute are those attribute which are different values for a single entity. So here customer have street different customer are from a different district, from different state. So Here age is derived from date of birth, so age is derived attribute of the customer entity, so moves towards the another entities which of urban companies, which name is service, which have attributes are a service id, and another attribute is availability, and a description about service, about service, and the name of the service name. Let's move towards another entity which name is a service provider. So service provider has a different attributes like service provider id, name of the service provider, requirements, and a phone number of service provider. So next entity is a service category. Here attributes are name of the service category id, season or and service price of the service category. Next entity is a feedback. Here attributes are FID, FID, and booking id, ratings, and the suggestion for the feedbacks. So moves towards the next entity is payment. Here payment also have different attributes. First payment have attribute amount of the payment, and payment id is attribute of a payment, and payment method, in which method customer can pay by UPI, COD. Here COD is cash on delivery, by net banking, and credit card or debit card. So this is a overview of our urban companies model. So move towards ER model of our project. So first entity is our customer. Then customer attributes, so customer have first attribute whose name is name, and this attribute is a single valued attribute. So it has values like first name, middle name of the customer, and last name of the customer. All these values were derived from a name attribute. So and then customer have customer ID, which here represented by CID of the customer. And next is age of the customer. uh, it's also a derived attribute which was derived from date of birth of the customer and phone number. And like similar like the email ID of the customer. And address of the customer, that was multi-valued attribute of customer entity. Values like street, street of customer, house number, pin code of their district, pin code, state, and also country. All these are the values of address. Let's move towards the next entity which have relation with the customer entity. So that entity name is a service. uh, Service, services. Link customer books the service, book the service. Here customer entity have a relation with the service entity. Customer books the service. Here book entity has attribute a book like a booking ID, status of booking, date of booking, time of booking, and service ID. SID means service ID, and description of service availability at that time, this service is available or not available, and the name of the service. Here is service and service provider, two entities, and service was provided by a service provider. So a relation between service provider entity and services are provides. So service providers have attributes service provider ID. Here it was denoted by SPID, and experience of the service provider, and requirements and a contact number of the service provider. These all are the attributes of a service providers. Another entity is related to service, whose name is a service category, and the relation between a service category and a services are services from a service category. Services any a particular category of services are provided by service category. Here from has the attributes SID, service ID, service category ID, service provider ID, and a service category has attribute service category ID, price of the particular service category, and the name of the that service category, and a season means in which duration, how much duration season it's related to service provided by a servicer. Let's move towards another entity which was related to customer and feedback. So customer gave feedback. So here relation between customer and feedback is gives. So here feedback ID, booking ID, rating, suggestions are the attributes of feedback, and booking ID is a foreign key in the feedback. And one of the last entities between a service and a payment method. Service provide service after completing the service providers complete the whole providing service from a service provider and from a service category. Then entity between relation between entities, service and payment method are after confirmation, and payment have a PID is a payment ID, amount of the payment, and payment method by using which method a customer have to pay to the service provider, by net banking, by COD here is a cash on delivery. It's cash on delivery means cash on pay cash to the service provider, and UPI, by UPI, and by credit and debit card, so on. So these are the so this is roughly year model of our project of urban companies. Our project is look like. So this is our main ER diagram of our project urban companies. Here here customer ID is a primary key, and relation between customer ID, customer's entity, and feedback entity is one to many. Because one customer provide different feedback to different services, and in the feedback entity feedback ID is a primary key, and booking ID is foreign key. So let's move to in these entity customer and service relation between the customer and service entity is also one to many. One customer can get many services from many many service providers. So books have a BID. BID is a primary key here, and service have a service ID. Here service ID is a primary key. Then let's move towards service services and a service provider entity. Here relation between a services and service provider is a many to one. One service provider provide many services, so relation between them is a many to one. Many services was provided by one service provider. So service provide SPID, service provider ID, is the primary key. And in other, here service entity and service category entity. Here PRID, service provider ID, and SID, service ID, and SC, service category ID. Service category ID is here primary key. And in a service and payment part, relation between them is many to one, because many services were provided by one service provider, and many services were taken by one customer. So many services many services and one payment. Payment, here in payment ID is primary key. So it's all about our ER database on urban companies.